What's up guys, welcome to another video with your buddy the Roller Coaster Crafter, and today we have another construction update of my new NEX coaster concept known as Edgepoint. Now as you can see, with this drop for this coaster, it doesn't actually level out, it actually dives under itself. This is because guests are positioned to the track sideways, and for this type of drop, they will actually be sweeping towards the ground on their side, and they will also get that near miss element as they dive low to the ground and then up into the first inversion as well. Now for this element specifically, I had to build inverted coaster type supports, and these are a lot harder to make simply because inverted track is really hard to stabilize, and it's a lot harder to stabilize than normal coaster track when it's on top of the supports. So this did take a lot longer than usual. So as you can see, the coaster works perfectly fine, and I will not actually be using the fan car on this coaster. As you can see, it wasn't turned on in the video you just saw. I will actually be making custom seats to signify the sideways coaster train, and that will give it the new concept, and you guys will see how that will work once I get those custom trains on. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more updates on this channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos as I will keep them coming. Thank you guys, I will see you next time on the Coaster Crafter channel. Peace!